Workbench assembly. With the main EDC now fully deployed, the lids can be combined to form a portable workbench. Building the workbench. Lid A will form the bench portion of the workbench. 2 bench deployment legs are stored within the lid. Remember, these deployment legs are labeled bench at the top and are not interchangeable with the EDC deployment legs. Lid A also contains a special mounting bracket that connects both lids to form the workbench. Remove it by twisting the knob counterclockwise. On the other lid, fold the 2 mounting supports outward 90 degrees, then align the mounting bracket channel with the supports. Once the supports are seated in the groove of the bracket channel, secure them by twisting the knob clockwise until tight. With both lids facing upside down, slide the bracket along the channel on the other side of the other lid until you feel a light click. Once tightly secured, the workbench is ready for use. The maximum weight allowance for each lid is indicated on the lid itself. The workbench surface supports up to 220 pounds, and the storage lid supports up to 8 pounds. Do not stand on the lid. And with that, the deployment and setup of the PEDC is now fully complete. The unit is ready for use.